back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead. I have been reading the comments, and I know a few of you are interested in part-time, like nights and weekend work to work around other jobs, kids, family, whatever. And however, this one looks like it is during the daytime, but I did find a part-time job. But as always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I am always reading that and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But today's job lead is from the company Omada Health. Now, this is remote within the United States. They are hiring a part-time member support agent. This is a part-time role, therefore they do not have a benefit package. They're looking for someone to work anywhere from 16 to 24 hours a week. The pay range is anywhere from $16.54 an hour all the way up to $20.67 an hour. Of course, pay is going to be dependent on location, experience, all of those things, but they are really just looking for like a customer support, member support agent to respond to both emails and phone calls from members with concerns and queries concerning the Omada Health program and app. So Omada Health does have an app, so you may be helping with some technical issues. The agents are supposed to be enthusiastic about helping educate people about the Omada program and ready to assist them in overcoming any obstacles like tech issues or anything and making sure they have a rapid solution. You may also process applications with accuracy and attention to detail. So you will also have to develop and maintain a knowledge base of their products, processes, and systems. Now, they are looking for someone who has experience on a growing support team, someone who has at least 6 months to 1 year customer service or call center experience, someone who has a great verbal and written communication skills, who can be a problem solver and take accountability. Now, it does say you need to be available between 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You need to be available to work 16 to 24 hours weekly. So it sounds like they will schedule you somewhere in that time frame. You do need to be available 40 hours a week full time for the first few weeks for training. They're going to provide paid training, and they do ask that you be available to work on some holidays. Now, one thing to note, it does say they offer a work from home stipend even for their part-time employees. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.